Hello, Nigel James, Argo Yachting, coming to you from Palma de Mallorca. I'm on board our Greenline 45. This is a super credible boat. If you're looking for a 45-foot, 3-cabin, twin-screw diesel yacht, come and have a look at this. We're here in the cockpit, and what a lovely space we've got. Got a great big overhang protection from the sun, or indeed bad weather. We've got this nice spacious cockpit area around this centerized table. We've got dual access down onto the platform, which is a high-low platform for retrieving your dinghy. And this whole back moulding here comes up on hydraulics to reveal a very big garage-type storage space. Let's take a look a bit further forward. So first thing to mention is the width of these side decks. They really are very good. A couple of features here was the overhang we had from the Flybridge, which gives us nice protection to the side deck and also protects the glass here from the sun. Just here to your right, there is a side door, which enables us to gain access to a fuel key or any key without having to stretch too far. This is a super good feature. It's a door onto the helm. It just cuts the boat in half, and if you're only 2 people operating the boat, it makes it very simple. Then we move out through to this foredeck area. There's lots of space here at the working area of the deck. Beautifully appointed sun area with a bit of sun protection as well. It's a very nice area, very user-friendly, very nice place to be. So here we are on the Flybridge, and first thing that strikes me here is the width of it. We're a 15.5 metre boat by a 4.6 metre beam, and this Flybridge is enormous. We've got this nice seating area here with good heights. You feel like you're in the Flybridge and not on it. It's all around this nice size eating table. We've got our bar here, a wet bar, griddle, refrigeration, sink. Moving here to this really nice sunbed. Nicely protected from any wind by this rail around the edge. And then we've got a well-appointed helm, twin screens, everything you need to function the boat from here can be seen. Incidentally, just looking forward to that onto what I would call the bonnet of the boat, we've got our 2 solar panels. This helps our generator battery replacement system. It just helps keep them topped up using the sun while at anchor. Then we have our bimini, which keeps us out of the sun, which today is actually quite a good thing. So here we are in the saloon, super modern area. Look at this glass, very big windows, lots of light flooding in, lots of beam here too. We've got the superb seating area here around this table, high-low table incidentally, so you could make a bed here. Galley aft in the starboard corner there, out onto the cockpit with large opening windows and doors. It does everything you would want from a boat of this size and more. We've got the helm, well appointed, double seat, all the instrumentation that you could possibly ask for on hand. Great side door, quite unusual on boats of this size. Let's have a look at the accommodation. So the accommodation on this boat really is second to none. We've got 3 cabins. They're all doubles on this boat, although there are some options. But we've got in the centre the traditional owner's VIP cabin. It's an own ensuite bathroom. It's a really great space. And here we've got the forward guest cabin VIP. Again, very wide, very spacious. And here we've got what we call a French double. So it's a double that fills the cabin, but it is a nice sized bed. These 2 share a bathroom. The owner has his own facilities. And then below the stairs where you've just come down, we've got a washer dryer mounted in there. There's lots of height, there's loads of light, and it's really great space. This boat was built for us for May 2024, where she was used for a boat show in Palma. And since then, she has been used for other small shows, displays, demonstrations. But she is now very much for sale. We're asking 890,000 ex tax for the boat complete. and that's a considerable saving over the retail price. She will come with her warranties. She is as new. She's got a pair of twin diesel engines. She's capable of early 20s performance, top end, cruising at 18 to 20 knots. She's got a generator replacement battery system, so we can overnight at weekends without having to run any generation, run off lithium batteries using 240 volt as you would do at home. It's a really great package. It's a very spacious boat. It's got many strengths. It really is worth a look. So if you can, come and take a look. It's here. My name's Nigel James. I'm Argo Yachting.